Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Rati Safitri. I am studying management at Unisula, Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. In this video, I am going to talk about digital HR. I create this content in order to accomplish my English tasks. This is the final project of English subject in this semester. So I really hope that everything will run just well. Also, I'm expecting the best result of this project. The topic given by my English lecture is related to digital HR. So before I am telling you the points of my content in this video, let me briefly explain what digital HR is. HR HR itself is a term used for recruiting employees in companies. Usually, the way HR works that are generally known are recruiting employee, ensuring employee welfare, motivate employees, ensuring relationship between employees, and training. But then, with the emerging of digitalization, the term of digital HR is kind of getting popular among companies throughout the world. Digital HR is the computerization of HR data which is then used to organize HR management and governance. Concerning with digital HR, I am specifically going to talk about preparation of Indonesian companies when implementing a digital HR system. The following preparation must be considered by the company, namely, when HR readiness, HR need to be prepared in advance to be able to operate digital HR, especially related to IT issue. So, companies must equip employees with IT knowledge so that employees become aware and accustomed to operation IT. 2. Setting up the technology infrastructure. The HR team needs to have the infrastructure to use. For example, server selection. There are two kinds of server to choose from, namely self-owned or cloud servers. Owned servers allow companies to customize servers as needed, but companies need to have more knowledge about using these servers, while the cloud servers has no limitation in increasing storage, memory, and processor as desired. However, the confidentiality of company data is not guaranteed. 3. Determination of system recruitment. In addition to the server, there needs to be planning for the applicable system. For example, how is the employee recruitment process or employee leave with employee salaries? Careful system planning will make digital HR integrate. 4. Configure the HR system with company work process. Executives need to analyze the policy and workflow process that they wish to integrate through the HR system. The workflow process needs to be made specifically so that the HR system really fit the company's need. 5. Prepare data for system integration. Record data such as employee personal data, contact information to employee demographics, information related to the amount of compensation and employee salaries, and employee attendance calculation data to other data that supports company performance. In my opinion, I agree because digital HR will be effective and efficient if implemented in a company because it can help organize company administrative data to be needed, easier to find, and process correct and precise data, help increase effectiveness in making decisions and develop plans for future HR needs through new capabilities. Based on the article that I read in the https blog.kamatechno.com checklist system HRD, The article explained that digital-based HR can help organize data so that company administration become neither easier to find and precious correct and precious data. In addition, digital HR is able to maintain company secrets, especially regarding important company data. Well, the article https pelatihan pengembangan sdm.co.id apa manfaat transformasi HR digital explain that digital HR help increase effectiveness in making decisions and building plans for future HR needs through new capabilities. In conclusion, digital HR is very effective and efficient if applied within the company because it is very helpful for organizing company data so that it is easy to find neither on increase effectiveness in making decisions. That is my argument about digital HR. Thank you for watching till end. If you have the counter argument, you might leave in the comment section below. See you on the next video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.